Hi everyone, this is 6th grade Elevate, lesson 53. Yesterday we worked on addition of whole numbers with regrouping. Today we are going to work on subtraction of whole numbers with regrouping. So just like yesterday, when you are adding or subtracting whole numbers, you are always going to start subtraction at your smallest place value. In this case, it's always going to be the ones because we are working with whole numbers. So in this example, 329 minus 153, what we see is starting with the ones place, we have 9 ones and we have to take away 3. 9 minus 3 gives us 6. Very easy. No regrouping there. Then we move on to our tens place, starting out with 2 tens, and we have to take 5 away from those 2 tens. Because you cannot take 5 from 2, we will need to regroup. We would have to go over to our next place value, which is the hundreds place, and regroup one of those 300s as 10 tens. So again, we would have to take away one of those hundreds and regroup it as 10 tens. Remember from yesterday, the value does not change. 100 is the same as 10 tens. So because we took away 100 and regrouped it as 10 tens, we now are left with 200s, and we no longer have the 2 tens that we started with. Because we added 10 more, we now have a total of 12 tens, okay? So 12 tens take away 5 tens gives us 7, and then 200s minus 100 is 100. From this model, you are then going to jump into a turn and talk. Just like yesterday, what place values need to be regrouped when we are subtracting these two numbers. Give students about 2 minutes to chat and work on the question before bringing them back whole group to discuss. And then from there, you are going to do a 3-minute model, again, just like yesterday, on how to use place value models to subtract. So in this particular question, we have 342 take away 126. What we realize is that in the ones place, we cannot take 6 away from 2 ones. And so we need to borrow from our tens and regroup this 110 as 10 ones, right? Then we have enough ones for us to be able to take 6 away from. From there, students are going to work with you on using those place value models to subtract before attempting to use the place value chart to help them subtract. From there, students will work about 12 minutes with a partner at a volume level 1 on questions 1 through 5 before working on their exit ticket. So this exit ticket is nice because the first question lines up place values for students to be able to subtract, but then questions 7 and 8 are word problems. It also does not line up the digits for students, so we want to see how students line up the digits to be able to subtract. And sorry, this exit ticket is... Oh, I didn't finish grading. Sorry, guys. So this exit ticket is out of 5 points. 5 out of 5 is an A+. 4 out of 5 is a B. 3 out of 5 is a C. 2 out of 5 is an F. Everything else is an F. We not only want to see for this exit ticket that students are getting the right answers, we want to see that they are showing their work, and that's why they got a point right here. and right here.